increasingly dominated by sleek, futuristic vehicles packed with all sorts of cutting-edge technology, there's something undeniably special about classic cars. They carry with them a sense of nostalgia, a throwback to simpler times when the bond between car and driver was a matter of mechanics, craftsmanship, and feel. The 2025 Chevrolet vintage pickup truck is a stellar example of this, as it offers a stunning fusion of retro design and modern engineering. This Teal beauty is more than just a truck. It's a nod to history and a powerful reminder of why we love classic pickups. Ing-edge technology, there's something undeniably special about classic cars. They carry with them a sense of nostalgia, a throwback to simpler times when the bond between car and driver was a matter of mechanics, craftsmanship, and feel. The 2025 Chevrolet vintage pickup truck is a stellar example of this, as it offers a stunning fusion of retro design and modern engineering. This Teal beauty is more than just a truck. It's a nod to history and a powerful reminder of why we love classic pickups. In this review, we delve into the details of this iconic truck, from its standout exterior design to the cutting-edge features that make it more than a mere relic from the past. With a deep focus on the truck's unique teal color, performance, craftsmanship, and modern adaptations, we'll explore why this model is set to be a sought-after gem in 2025. The Chevrolet pickup truck has a long and storied history. Since the early 20th century, Chevrolet has been producing rugged, reliable trucks that became the backbone of American working-class transportation. The vintage Chevrolet pickups, especially those from the 1950s to the 1970s, hold a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. These vehicles were known for their durability, their strong, sturdy frames, and the powerful engines that offered impressive performance without the frills of modern technology. With the 2025 rebuild, Chevrolet has paid homage to this history by retaining the classic charm and unmistakable character of these trucks, while adding a host of new features that make it better suited to today's roads. The result is a masterpiece that captures the heart of the original, while pushing the boundaries of what a modern pickup truck can be. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 Chevrolet vintage pickup, the first thing that grabs your attention is its stunning teal exterior. This vibrant yet elegant color choice is a tribute to some of the most iconic color palettes of the 1960s and 70s, a time when bold, bright colors were in vogue. Teal, in particular, gives the truck a refreshing and unique presence on the road, ensuring that it stands out in a sea of more subdued, neutral-toned vehicles. The color not only evokes a sense of retro charm, but also highlights the truck's sculpted body lines and details. Chevrolet's designers have done an impressive job of maintaining the truck's vintage aesthetic. The front grille is large, imposing, and unmistakably retro, with horizontal chrome bars and the iconic Chevrolet badge proudly displayed at its center. The large round headlights are another nod to the classic design, flanked by smaller fog lights to give it a balanced look. The bumper is simple and strong, further enhancing the truck's nostalgic appeal. The side profile of the truck is where the retro-modern blend really shines. The squared-off body is reminiscent of classic Chevrolet pickups, but the overall silhouette has been refined to improve aerodynamics. The chrome accents around the windows, mirrors, and door handles are pure vintage flair, but they don't feel overdone or kitschy. Instead, they provide a nice contrast to the teal paint, elevating the truck's overall aesthetic. The rear of the truck features a spacious bed with beautifully detailed tailgate embossing of the Chevrolet name in bold, raised lettering. The taillights are small and minimalist, but pack modern LED technology inside, giving the truck a perfect blend of old-school looks and 21st century practicality. Chevrolet also offers the option of a set of modern alloy wheels or classic steel rims with chrome hubcaps, giving buyers the choice to lean further into the vintage aesthetic or take a slightly more contemporary approach. Either way, the truck looks spectacular and is bound to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside the 2025 Chevrolet vintage pickup, and you'll find an interior that strikes a fine balance between retro charm and modern comfort. The cabin is designed to evoke the look and feel of mid-century pickups, with bench seats upholstered in two-tone leather and a classic dashboard layout that includes large, round analog gauges. However, Chevrolet has ensured that comfort and technology aren't sacrificed for the sake of nostalgia. The seats are supportive, with modern cushioning and heating options, ensuring a comfortable ride whether you're heading out for a weekend road trip or driving through the city. The teal theme from the exterior carries into the cabin, with teal accents on the dash, door panels, and steering wheel, creating a sense of cohesion and vintage charm. These pops of color are perfectly balanced with the rich black leather, brushed chrome, and polished wood trim. One of the most interesting features in the cabin is the retro-styled infotainment system. At first glance, it looks like an old-school radio, complete with large dials and a small display. But in reality, it's a fully functional, modern touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The vintage aesthetic of the display is a great touch, but it's the hidden tech behind it that truly sets this truck apart. With access to all the latest navigation and media options, drivers can enjoy the best of both worlds, retro style with modern functionality. The cabin is also equipped with all the modern conveniences you'd expect in a 2025 vehicle, such as automatic climate control, USB charging ports, and a premium sound system. There's also plenty of storage space, with compartments tucked into the door panels, under the seats, and in the center console. Chevrolet has ensured that while the interior retains its vintage feel, it still offers the practicality and comfort needed for everyday driving. Beneath the hood of this teal beauty lies a modern marvel of engineering. Chevrolet offers two engine options for the 2025: a classic V8 engine and a more fuel-efficient turbocharged V6. Both engines are tuned to deliver a driving experience that harkens back to the days of powerful American trucks, but with all the benefits of modern technology. The V8 engine is the choice for those who want the full vintage experience. It produces a throaty, satisfying growl when you hit the gas, delivering plenty of torque and horsepower to tackle even the toughest jobs. Whether you're towing a trailer or simply cruising down the highway, the V8 provides a sense of raw power that's hard to match in today's truck market. It's the engine of choice for anyone who values the visceral thrill of driving a classic, muscular pickup. For those looking for something a little more practical for daily driving, the turbocharged V6 is an excellent option. It still delivers plenty of power, but with significantly better fuel economy and lower emissions. Chevrolet has worked hard to make this truck as environmentally friendly as possible without sacrificing performance. The V6 engine is smooth and responsive, offering a great blend of power and efficiency for modern driving conditions. The transmission is a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic that offers both manual mode and paddle shifters for those who prefer a bit more control over their driving experience. The ride quality is impressively comfortable for a pickup truck, thanks to the fully independent suspension that offers better handling and smoother rides than the classic solid axle setups of vintage trucks. The 2025 vintage pickup manages to blend the robust feel of a vintage truck with the refined performance of a modern vehicle, making it a joy to drive on all kinds of terrain. While this pickup may look like a classic, it's packed with the latest in safety and technology. Chevrolet has outfitted the 2025 vintage pickup with a full suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. These features are seamlessly integrated into the truck's design, allowing it to maintain its vintage aesthetic without compromising on safety. One standout feature is the backup camera, which is cleverly hidden behind the tailgate emblem and pops out when needed. The camera is paired with parking sensors to make maneuvering the truck in tight spaces easier, something vintage trucks of the past were notoriously bad at. The truck also comes equipped with Chevrolet's advanced OnStar system, providing drivers with turn-by-turn navigation, emergency assistance, and a Wi-Fi hotspot for passengers. This makes the 2025 vintage pickup not only a fun and stylish vehicle to drive, but also one that's packed with modern conveniences for daily use. The 2025 Chevrolet vintage pickup truck is a shining example of how to blend the past with the present. With its gorgeous teal color, vintage-inspired design, and modern engineering, it's a truck that appeals to both classic car enthusiasts and modern drivers alike. Chevrolet has managed to create a vehicle that pays homage to its rich history while embracing the advancements of modern technology.